Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own drop ceiling tiles using beadboard that you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. They come in 4x8 sheets, so your first step is to cut it to size of your drop ceiling grid. So I have 2x4 set up, so we cut them to 47.5 by 23.5 inches. So we took a ½ inch off both sides so that you could actually get the boards in and they're not super tight. Next, you're going to measure and cut your long sheets in half. Then we used the hand saw for this part because we couldn't put it on the table saw. And to save some time, we just then used one board as like a stencil instead of measuring every time and just kept using that same piece to mark where 23.5 inches would be. So we did have to strip a little more off each piece, so we ran it back through the table saw. So once your pieces are cut, your next step is to measure for any lighting you're going to be adding. So I used recessed lighting, and it actually came with like a template to help you cut it out. So once you measure to find the middle of your board, you can use the template that comes with the lights to draw your outline. Once you measure, you can use a jigsaw to cut out your hole for the light, and it doesn't have to be a perfect circle because most of the recessed lighting comes with like its own trim. So once you pop it in, it'll look good. So the third step is to install it. Run your lighting through it once the panels are up. And voila, easy. Your lighting is installed. And once it's all in, you have your own DIY drop ceiling tiles. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more budget-friendly DIY tips and tricks.